Captain, my medical bag has been taken. By a walrus.
Quasi, sound the Octo Alert. To the launch pad. Octonauts, can anyone think of why a walrus would take Peso's medical bag?
He must have thought it was a clam.
Yes.
They do love to eat clams, Captain.
It had all my bandages and medicine. Without my medical bag, I can't help creatures feel better.
Don't worry, Peso. We're going to find that walrus.
We'll march right up to that whiskery lump and make him give back your medical bag. Yow!
Peso, Quasi, to the gut A. Open the octo hatch, Tweak.
Right away, Captain.
Ahoy! One whiskery walrus right ahead.
We must be getting close to a walrus colony where they live.
Whoa! That's a lot of walruses.
If your bag's in there, we'll find it.
We have